Friends, I hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to continue our previous chapter, chapter number 8, The Adventure of New Carbuncle. Now, we are going to start again with the main characters. So, again, I will tell you, I will refresh your memories regarding the chapter. So, the main character is Sherlock Holmes. He is a detective in the whole story. Peterson, a security guard of Holmes, means he is a security guard of Holmes. Watson, he is a friend of Holmes, means Sherlock Holmes. Henry Baker, real owner of the hat and goose. Mrs. Bricknage, a salesman in the convent garden. Mrs. Oakshott, sister of James Ryder. James Ryder, a culprit. Now going to tell you about the next summary of the chapter. As I had told you in our previous class that when Holmes came to know about that the precious stone was stolen from a cosmopolitan hotel, he decided to solve the matter. So he started investigating the case. So he put a to get the real owner of the gem of the new carbuncle, he decided to put an advertisement in the newspaper. So he put a lost advertisement in the newspaper regarding the lost hat and goose. As Henry Baker came to know about the belongings of his lost belongings, he decided to visit Holmes. Later in the evening, Henry Baker came. Means in the evening, on the same evening, when Holmes put a notice in the put a notice in the newspaper, Henry Baker visited Holmes' house, and it soon became obvious that deductions made about the hat's owner were correct. Means whichever deductions were given, whichever things were told in the newspaper, they all were corrected, and the hat really belongs to Mr. Henry Baker. But it is also obvious that Henry Baker, he didn't knew nothing about the blue carbuncle. Means he don't know to whom the clue, who put the gem into the goose body. Then Henry Baker was also more upset about the loss of the bird than the contents. Means he was also worried as he had lost the goose. So although Holmes decided Henry Baker to give him a fresh bird as a exchange. So Henry Baker as Holmes decided to give Henry Baker a new goose as a exchange. Holmes and Watson, they both are sitting. Again, they started discussing the moments of the goose. The pair means both Holmes and Watson. They started discovering they started investigating the from whom the goose had taken by whom by from whom they have taken the goose. So it came from the names. After investigation, they came to know about that from Brinkridge in Convent Garden, the goose was brought from Mr. Brickridge in Convent Garden, and the geese was supplied to Mrs. Oakshott of Brixton. Means firstly Mr. Brickridge brought the goose from Mrs. Oakshott of Brixton, and then he sold that goose to Henry Baker. Then, at that moment, the man who had previously annoyed Brickridge returned seeking more information. Again, the same man, Mr. Brickridge, he started giving information regarding the goose to Holmes and Watson. Whatever the questions are asked by Holmes and Watson, and immediately Mr. Brickridge answered all the questions. Then man turned out to be James Ryder. Then the man told about James Ryder. James Ryder, who was the brother of the owner of or the employee of James Ryder was the actually the employee of the Hotel Cosmopolitan. Then the story comes to an end. The man returned out to be James Ryder. Means now After a lot of investigation, Watson and Holmes they came to the final point that James Ryder had done all this, and as Ryder came to know about it, he started he wants some kind of help, or he started himself he threw himself on Holmes' mercy. Holmes allowed Ryder to leave and believed that Ryder would never do a such thing in future, and even as a promise he also believed that Ryder would not do any kind of such an act in the future life. I hope the chapter is clear to all of you. Thanks. Have a nice day.